the new TI-Connect Evo, TI-Connect Evo, free software for transferring files, and much more. To use this, you must be in Chrome. This is the link. You might want to pause the video to copy that down. Once you click on that link, let me show you what pops up on your browser. It says connect a calculator, which I just did. And then I'm going to say I want to pair it with this, so connect. And once I do this, these are all the things I can do. I can capture the screen, I can send files to and from the calculator and computer, install a new OS, and exit test mode. Again, send files to and from calculator. So this is a summary right here. This is the link. For more TI-Connect Evo videos, please visit this website. It is case sensitive.